Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech and let's read mean comments. Okay, so the guys have picked certain mean comments for me to read and I've not seen them yet. So let's go ahead, start. Pray for Ash bro to recover from corona. If I'm gone for a couple of days. Okay, I was actually gone for 10 days. Fair enough. Again, is Ash having corona? No, I'm right here. Stop with a fake accent.
Stop it. Get some help.
Again, the fake accent. This is who I am. This is how I speak. I guess the guys just did a react to my first video. Go back. Clickbait tricks. Oh, that's Amartya's video, not mine. Thank you. Amartya is our master bit. Okay, I'm not really gonna say anything. Ash, you've grown fat. Cut down on the lockdown snacks, man. I didn't won the giveaway of Show Me 10, so I don't give a about your channel anymore. I'm unsubscribing. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. China. This is more insulting to China than it is to me. So I'm fine. I'm fine. Disliked, unsubscribed. I came here to see the phone. If you don't have the phone in your hand, use Let's Talk About the SE2. Don't use clickbait titles into worthless videos. Oh, this means you were subscribed at some point. Thank you. Giveaway, best clickbait ever. Got you here, didn't I? So I guess that serves the purpose. What the were you thing, stupid? It's a very basic thing in battery drain test to know to set all phones at same brightness levels. This test is worthless. Better not make any video if you don't know how to make. Okay, that was long. Didn't we have everything on the same brightness?
Yeah, because every phone is on a different angle. It seems like it's
Okay. It was the angle. Maybe one could have been a little high. I don't know. But as far as I know, everything was on the same brightness. You are looking dry, bro. Your English sucks. Sucks. Get lost. I'm sad. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try Hindi now. Who gives a about phones right now? Who gives a about anything right now? Yes, we've got COVID going on. I don't say no. So what are you supposed to do? Shut up, shop and just not do anything? Making some content for people to watch. And at the same time, I'm paying people. So, hey, I think it's good. Okay, this is a nice one. C stands for China in C4E Tech. China forever. Keep promoting Chinese products. India loves you. India loves me. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Blah, blah, blah. I don't have a reaction to this. What about your giveaway you mentioned about in your previous videos? I didn't see any winner, you liar, piece of shit. Say any lie for views. Tell that you are giving away your mom. You will get much better views. I don't know, I could probably give away Yom. Okay, let's not go there. I don't know guys, see, this is like a common thing. I can't like literally message everybody and say, hey, here's the giveaway winner. You can just click on the, one second, let me actually mute this. Yes, you can click on the link you used to enter, check it out. That's basically what you're supposed to do. Okay, man, the blind test, it sucks. Just you as the gotos and your opinion on them. I can't understand anything in blind tests. My opinion is right there. You just have to unmute and that's my opinion. I don't know. Do you guys not like blind tests? Let me know in the comments. When you don't have the handset to review, then don't do about it. If you expect for the handset on the day the phone is announced, nobody has the handset. That's how it works. It's mentioned very clearly it's not a hands-on. What more can I do? Focus on handphone, bro. Your face like Ooh, that's a burn. Okay. I feel bad. Fok, Indian name Foco F2 Fok India. Can you not spell that right? Move, you got coronavirus. Oh shit, you got coronavirus. We ain't gonna do shit in this coronavirus. I ain't gonna take a trip in this coronavirus.
Epic rhymes.
Yes, epic rhyming. Amazing. These shitty immature videos in your channel. So this is basically for a speed test. You are giving away thing is making me sick, bro. You are a liar. You're he compared with separate refresh rate and battery life. Make it each of them 60 hertz per, and if each of same battery, then it could possible. You're gay. You're thinking about mate, not me. I have nothing against gays, but hey. You indeed are a cool. You stupid. You don't know about camera quality. You think more megapixels, best quality, but you're fool. It's you are. Hey Ash, I'm gonna get this phone. Okay. You need to consider the specs and what you get for the money, you. Okay, wait. I'm gonna get this phone. It's too good a value for money. You need to consider the specs and what you get for the money, you bitch. Poco X2 review. We were nice about the phone.
Yeah.
So what? I don't get this. Okay. Is Ash dead? I'm here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Thank you for your concern. Amartya has taken over C4 since Ash went into quarantine due to coronavirus he got while traveling for phone launches. I have not attended a phone launch since the Realme X, which was in China. But that was way back. Where's Ash? I miss him. Ash got corona and went for quarantine. You are thinking you are a brilliant. The world is locked down. Why we need to see this type of irritation video? You are an Indian. In this time you need to upload a corona awareness video, not like this type of mobile review video. Sorry, I'm going to unsubscribe your channel, and all other people also please unsubscribe. Thank you for being subscribed in the first place. I appreciate it. Again, I've explained why we're doing videos. I stopped watching the second you said Skeleton Crew send everybody home. You don't absolutely need them at office, and we don't want your videos now. Shoot some content by yourself if you have to. You can't make a video on corona if you can't practice what needs to be done. Yes, the people who are working here, they live a street away. Those are the ones who are working here, and nobody is breaking quarantine to be here. It's literally the same community where they're coming from. So it's one street away, and the people who are further away haven't worked, and we've got a couple of people who've returned only today after certain restrictions have been lifted, but we've been adhering to whatever corona restrictions have been in place. Seems like you have corona. Your voice is different. Maybe you're infected too with the gifts and cell phones you receive free from China. Ooh, the stomach burn is so visible in this one. And my reply was rule 1, don't be a rule 2, read rule 1. These guys have actually also been very nice enough to mark a folder called Amartya. So these are Amartyas. Okay, it's too harsh.
That's what she said.
Okay, I would actually like Amartya to read these. So let's get Amartya up here. Let's put him to read some of his comments. A little bit of backstory. This was basically Amartya's idea to do the mean comments thing. So Anantan over there actually picked main comments for Amartya too, so which is something I did not know, but I actually appreciate. So now let's go ahead to Amartya's main comments.
Okay, so let's read the first one. Hey piece of shit, who thought of bringing your shit ugly mug to the fore? Stop looking at the mirror, dude. Okay, moving on. Fucking annoying eyes. Can't really help it, man. It's a genetic disorder, so can't do anything about that. Who the is this guy? I'm Omorto. I mean, do I need more than that? Fuck the new guy. No, thank you. Twitching eyes makes me nervous. Again, can't really help it. As I said before, I have this genetic condition called congenital pallor nystagmus, which means my eyes move on their own even when I'm focusing on something. Like I'm looking at the camera right now, but my eyes constantly move about. So can't do anything about that. Shitty review and the face is irritating. Get me a new face? Aren't you the from B-Bomb? Wait, I have to do a tantric ritual so that I can summon Rupesh right here. For a moment I thought I was watching Rupesh, then I realized it's not B-Bomb. The tone was much more like Ash. Roller coaster of thoughts, hashtag lockdown effects. I mean, yeah, I'm happy you guys are comparing me to Rupesh. And that's it.
So guys, this was the first time I did a read mean comments video, so I don't know if the way I reacted to it is something that came across okay. I don't know what you guys feel about it, so do let me know in the comments below. And I mean, I thought it was gonna be worse than this, but it actually wasn't. So I guess you guys are being pretty nice, and thank you for that. Generally, when I go through the comments, there are so many nice comments, and I actually like reading through the comments most times, not all the time, but most of the times, more often than not. And this was just a weird video we thought we'd do. So let me know what you thought, and anybody who's been supporting us for a long time, thank you so much. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye bye now.
Hey piece of shit, who thought of bringing your batshit ugly mug?
That's me. I thought of it. Me.